Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a PDF view with ViewPager in Android app. Let's start this video. First of all, add the dependency of PDF view in your Gradle file. Here I have added the dependency. Here is the dependency. I have also created the assets folder here. You can create on clicking app, new, then folder and click on the assets folder. Here you click on the finish to create the assets folder. I have already created it. First of all, in this relative layout, create a view pager. Specify width as match parent, height as wrap content, ID as view pager. Then inside this we will also create the pager strip. Specify width as match parent, height as wrap content, gravity as top. Specify its ID as pager header. Here we have created our view. Now create the two fragments in which we will show our two PDF. First of all, we will add the PDF in the assets folder. I have the two sample PDF. I will copy it and paste in the assets folder. Now the create two fragments. First fragment is PDF1. Sorry, I have created the just wait for indexing. I have created the wrong. Delete this one fragment. Also delete it from layout. Make sure you should uncheck this. Now here our fragment has been created. Now create the same another fragment. We will name it as PDF2. Now create the Java class as pager adapter. create new Java class, pager adapter. Extend this class by fragment pager adapter. Now implement methods. Now inside get count, create a one integer private static int. We will create two tabs since it is 2. Now inside fragment get count, return to num items. Inside get item method, we will use the switch case. Return pdf1 dot new instance. First we have to create the instance in pdf1.java. We will create here the new instance, public static pdf1 new instance integer page string title. pdf1 fragment 1 new pdf1. Now bundle new bundle arguments put integer some integer comma page. Arguments dot put title, put string. Title fragment1 dot set argument arguments and return with fragment fragment 1. Now we have created this new instance. Now go inside the copy this same. We also have to create it for the pdf2. Paste here change pdf1 into pdf2. Now go into pager adapter, here type new instance, page is 0, Title is tab 1, PDF 1. Now case 1, return PDF2 dot new instance 1, PDF2. Default return null. Now create another character sequence. Return position. Here we have created the coding in the pager adapter. Now move towards the fragment. Inside fragment 1, remove this one and create the PDF view. Specify width as match parent, height as also as match parent, ID as PDF view 1. Now copy this one and paste in the second fragment. Change the ID to PDF view 2. Now go inside the PDF 1 fragment. Inside on create view method. Here return view v equal to. Now create the PDF view find by using ID PDF view 1. Now PDF view dot from assess. Name of the PDF dot PDF. Here my PDF name is PDF1.pdf dot load. Return v. Now do same procedure in the PDF2.java. Here change return. Here also create the PDF view. PDF view v dot find view by ID. PDF view dot from assess. PDF2 dot PDF dot load and return v. Now here we have completed our coding. Make sure to add the permissions to read external storage. Now go into main activity.java. Here create a view pager. Find it by using ID. Here create fragment pager adapter as adapter view pager. Now adapter view pager new pager adapter. Get support fragment manager. Import this class. Support fragment manager. View pager. Dot set adapter. Adapter view pager. Here this error was because I have created the Java class. I want to create here, but I have created here, so I have changed this one. The code is as it is. Now run the application and see the output. Here our app has been created. Here is the tab 1 where is the PDF 1 has been loaded, and here is the tab 2 where second PDF has been loaded. Here we have successfully created PDF view in the view pager. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.